Breakdance Entertainment without here with Boss Man Lee. Check him out now. He got that bait on there. About 7 ponds out here. We trying to rip some lips.
Yes,
Breakdance Entertainment. Breakdance Entertainment. Got one already. Breakdance Entertainment. Check my boy. He brought me to this pond, man. He said it was in here. You know what I mean? Stupid. He hit that thing. I ain't gonna put him on the scale.
No, he's too little.
Oh, I ain't even bring my scale.
That's a little, man.
My scale in my other bag.
That's a little one.
Yeah, but well, I'm gonna throw him back.
That's a little
Them bass in here, I ain't know that. Yeah, that's a little one, but he hit like he was a big one.
That's a little one right there. This is bigger than that.
He hit it like he was big though.
Yeah.
I ain't playing. I didn't even expect that.
It's
Something.
It's a bigger one.
I just throwed it out, was playing with it.
I have somebody caught at least 10 of them right back to back.
Oh, this a bass pond.
Was that you throwed it out just then?
Mm-hmm. This a bass pond then. It got brim in there, but it's...
man, there's some big brims in here, man. Look.
You've been cooking them all.
No.
You ain't been cooking them bass. He been throwing them bass back.
You kidding? They in there, man.
So, I'm talking about I was just popping it, then I stopped it. I felt something thump it. Boom. I knew what it was. I said, that's a bass right there. I was just bull crapping around. Didn't think I was gonna get no bite.
One about 12 pounds. It's some bigger than him.
If it hit for a 12 pounder hit, he done.
I tell you right now, he's some bigger than him.
He definitely done on YouTube in Breakdance Entertainment.
Yeah, that's an entertainer fish right there. Ain't
Yeah, he hit pretty hard. He thumped that thing. He about 1.5 pounds. I didn't bring the scale, but next time I come with you, I surely will. He might be, the scale might be in there.
You hear me?
Huh?
He's about 1.5 or 2 pounds.
Yep.
The water a little bit cool. They don't get too close to them.
But they're gonna get close enough to oh, I got to hook my rod.
You got one?
I done hooked my lure. I done hooked my other rod. Some bass thumping in here probably. I need to really fish it for the bass hard. I did feel little thumps here and there.
Brim losing the foot.
Oh,
Brim losing the fight out in there.
missed one.
Fire in there.
A brim that just hit mine. That's been a little brim. Breakdance Entertainment.
the hip.
Break nasty entertainment.
Oh yeah, that's a big one.
Break nasty entertainment.
That's a big one. That's breams.
Break nasty entertainment. Break nasty entertainment. Break nasty entertainment.
That's a pretty good size. Now, that's not breaking.
No, you see this rod I got? Man, he ain't breaking that.
That's a nice one right there.
I need the scale, man. I need the scale. I need the scales, my boy. He ain't nothing about 4 pounds, about 3.5. Oh, he's hooking him, buddy. He through. Go ahead and get tired out. He through. He is done. I want a boat flip him. Hell no, that motherfucker heavy. I'm playing with him. Break nasty entertainment, man. Oh, nice one. On that flutter nymph. Look how I had him hooked. He was done.
About 3 pounds?
That one about 3 pounds. He 3 and some change. Let me see if I can get him on, if I got my scale. I don't think I brought my scale. I rushed. Nope, I ain't bringing my scale. Okay, got it out. Break nasty entertainment, man. Slab. I ain't bring my scale, but if I put it on the eyeballs, I say it's 3.5. He ain't 4.
Huh?
But he close.
Close to what, 4?
He close to 4.
Okay.
He close. He,
That's a nice. That's
hey,
a nice
hey.
right there.
I wish I had my scale. I ain't bring my scales in my other bag. But they sure hitting you right there. they tearing you up. That hill was steeper than I thought it was.
My heels.
Yeah, when I tried to pull him up there, I could have pulled him up there. But he...
You gotta be careful, you'll break your eye. So I ain't trying to pull him up there and break the top every time. Only thing is, when you try to pull it, he gonna resist it. When he resists, he'll break it.
Yep. Couldn't have been the one I hit. They ain't gonna hit for another day or two after I set hook to him. That's how I know. I just got hit by another fish over here.
You just got hit one by one?
Yeah, he had me a while ago before I threw it back out there this time. But he let me go. He had it. Must have been by the tail. The other bass came and hit me right here by the edge though.
This is bigger than him. Them ain't.
I know they get way bigger in here. Especially they throwing the bass back. You know they big. That was just something that was around here. Think about all them big jokers. When it was in here, they in here loaded.
You know what? I ain't know.
There it go.
Get it.
Ah, he let it go. Must have been one of them big breams.
Oh.
Pond number 2. Boss man Lee.
That's gonna be tearing you up.
No. Don't tell me that. Don't tell me the bass gonna tear me up.
Huh?
And I ain't bring my scale.
How you think I'm gonna fish, man? You got
I'm a move, man.
you gotta cross the road. Let me get in there.
Hey. ain't trying to take your spot, man.
Take my spot, man.
I had to throw one time over there before you got set up. That's all. That's all. That's all.
Hey, you can throw it out now. Let me fish a little bit in here.
Yeah.
I want to see what they doing. And the next phone we go to got crap in it.
No.
Yeah. Good timing because the sun ain't out, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all,
Something that hit it. Something hit mine.
I'm telling you, it's back in here.
I don't know what that was, but he hit me.
Get your tail off my neck. What kind of bug?
No, it ain't no ticks in here, is it? It shouldn't be that bad. It's clean around these ponds.
I think this came the wrong day.
They
ain't doing a lot of calls, man.
They right here in our face. I'm telling you. I'm getting bites.
A whole bunch of breams tonight. Fast I throw in here. That bait can's supposed to be empty almost. I'm supposed to have a big old line of breams.
You said we're gonna catch something before we leave.
No, not here. Oh, yeah. No, not here.
You used to catch some out here though?
Huh?
You used to catch some big bream out of here before though.
Oh yeah. They in here, but I don't want this thing acting up.
Oh, don't let me find out you gotta switch rides. Back now, it's gonna turn the third pond. Check out Boss Man Lee. We're gonna see some crappie in here. We're gonna try to jig them out a little bit.
Yeah. Let me see. Look.
You had one right there.
Yeah. Time I put it in there. Watch this. Watch this. You ain't gonna fish it with one.
What?
Yeah.
Dang.
You ain't gonna fish it with one.
My boy, he hooking them right here on the bank.
Huh?
I said, you hooking them on the bank.
See?
Yeah, you hooking them right on the bank.
Now that's a keeper right there.
Oh,
huh?
Yeah, that's what, you put some grease on him. Oh, I think I just got a bite.
You're gonna pull him back, though.
You scared to eat them.
Huh?
I said, you scared to eat them.
No, I ain't. I ain't gonna eat them.
Yeah, you can see something in there too, yeah.
You ain't gonna pick it with one now. You know what?
I'm sure. Oh, something bit it. I don't know if it was crappy or not.
See what I'm saying?
Them little brim tearing me up right here.
Come over here. Come over here.
Them little brim tearing me up. I'm finna go for straight bad. Where them crappies at? Oh, crappies.
Look at right here. Come here. Where that?
Okay, I'm gonna come over there.
Maybe on the drop.
Them little brim tearing me up bad.
I mean, it's cooler on that dock. I mean.
That's what I was thinking them was gonna be.
Ooh, back you throw in here, they bite.
You turn them up from the bank up under the deck.
Ooh, good God.
That was one.
Man, these are hitting me. There's some bigger than that too.
We're gonna find out.
You trying to do catch a bass?
I got crappie on here.
I'm telling you, crap ain't gonna be in that shallow water. Too hot. You gonna have to listen. You gonna have to get the crap right in the edge of here, not out in there. Is that still out there?
Look, it's gone, crappie. Ooh, it was gone, crappie.
Is that still out there?
I don't see nobody out there. Look, there you go. Something just grabbed it.
Got it?
Something just grabbed it.
Kick that off for me. If you get a chance. Kick him in the water.
Ooh,
You got it?
I just missed a monster, boy.
Huh? I know you let it come right here.
Dang. They right here hit me on the edge. I had something big though.
They fish it all around this place. You can breathe, they all around.
I just had a big one though.
Like a snake right now. Or something.
Little bass.
You got a bass?
Little bass. I ain't even say break that entertainment for it.
Pretty good size?
Nah, here baby.
Oh no.
Old fish stick. If you don't smell funny, I'm gonna see how they smell.
No, it ain't no. This pond right here is clean, man.
Mm-hmm. Cause I don't think nothing that the bass eating gonna eat this water.
This stuff was healthy too, you know that?
Mm-hmm.
It's healthy to bring them in here. Come on. That's
Break
one.
that entertainment.
Yeah, that's one. That's one.
That's one of them big shell crappies.
Oh no, that's one. Oh God, that's nice. Oh, he's some bigger than he's bigger than that.
Try to take me up out of here. I would have put him in some grease.
Yeah, oh yeah.
Yes, sir. He would have been
I
cool.
can sit right here and catch enough fish for have a fish fry. Excuse me, before you close that.
Oh, my fault.
I don't want the people to run me out.
Yeah, I didn't. Oh, look. It done went all the way down already.
I'm telling you. Oh God.
Look. I ain't even moving it.
Get him.
No, I let him get off.
Oh, look at that. Feel how heavy that joker is. Just feel how heavy it is. Let's pick up on it.
Oh, man. I can't even grab it.
Feel how heavy it is.
Oh, yeah, that's a nice one.
Yeah, he's heavy, ain't he?
Mm-hmm.
That's meat, man.
Dang, why they had to tell you there's something in here, man?
Huh?
Why they had to tell you they put something in the water?
Yeah.
But yeah, man, I try to keep them up.
They would be around.
Yeah, I feel you.
I got some more ponds to go to. People that I know. Yeah, I got some more people down the road I can go. Wouldn't that be nice with some good eating?
Mm-hmm.
Huh?
I would have put some grease on them.
Ooh, that'd be some good eating right there. You hear me?
I'm about to go for bass in a minute, though.
Man, I'm sorry we ran across a situation like this.
You good, man. You know, I appreciate you bringing me out here. You know what I mean?
But I'm telling you, man, it's a lot of fish. A lot of fish around, man.
Nah, not yet.
You should be
I had some of it on there. Look at that. We just dropping it down in there. They just tearing them up, man.
Yeah.
I'm about to show. He finna show they right here in your face. I gotta get me into the crappie jig. Cause they done broke this one all up.
Look way out there they're hidden.
Yeah, them big ones somewhere around here. These right here nice. Look, watch this. She should go down. Oh, he put the drag on you that time, didn't he?
Yeah. Wow, man.
Look. On down. As soon as it go up under, he getting set hooked to. He on there. Gotta be deep right here.
Cut that bad boy and something wrong with it.
They on my ass right here. I done caught about 3 of them right here. They like, nah, nigga, you snatching us up. That crappie. I don't know what you got on there. Check them out now. Right now.
Catfish in here too.
I don't know. You might got a catfish.
I got the drag tip wrong. Putting the hook.
I don't know, but it's not whatever it is. It ain't no little one. What is it?
I don't know.
You don't know. It's finna break your rod, man. What you got on there, man? Let me see it. Oh, that's a big shell crappie. Ooh. Big shell crappie.
Yeah, I'm gonna take him out and throw him back there. He full of eggs. He full of eggs.
Big boy. Breakdance Entertainment.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Boss man Lee ain't playing with him. He done hooked him with a slab. But yeah, shell crappie, they don't even make beds like that. They.
Look at him playing over there.
Yep.
Look at him play.
I'm about to throw my whatchamacallit over there. I'm about to go over there too with that little island there. I seen a big bass jump over there. Big bass.
Run back.
I done hooked some little bass, so I know the big one's in here.
You can hear them hitting the water.
And the crazy part, I ain't bring my scale. I'll be mad if I catch a 10-pounder.
You should have brought your chair, man.
It's alright, I'm used to doing it.
Well, you want to get that one on the chair down there? It's up to you. God, that's good. Look at it. I'm out here trying to fish. He's trying to tangle up me up again. Oh, mercy. Look at that.
I don't know how they keep doing that. I just had a monster, man. Just paused the camera for a little bit, man. It about broke my wrist. It hurt my wrist a little bit, man, when it... And it hurt my wrist a little bit. I didn't get no hook in him, so he could. That was a monster right there, buddy. I was sleeping on it. How the world did I sleep on that? Breakdance Entertainment. Breakdance Entertainment. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got him. Oh, a little nice one. He's nice. He's nice. Oh, about 2.5 pounder right there. He ain't 3. He ain't 3. Nah, I give him about almost 2. Nice one on Breakdance Entertainment. I done figured them out. They should have just put something in the water. We can't eat the fish. All the pretty brim we just caught. Can't eat them. I was gonna put them with the rest of my fish I caught from the other trips. And I was gonna put some fish tonight, but look like we'll be waiting for that. But I got that flutter nymph. I done put that black and blue one on, that blue and green one on. I'm getting low on them, so. Yeah, I'm getting low on them, so. I'm trying to order some more. Not trying to order some more, really. Because Yeah, getting low. Still got a few colors left. Like this one of my main colors. And with the rate that they tear up, I should go ahead and order 2 packs. Really my favorite lure so far, man. Seeing how it perform in different ponds, it's really like that. And brim back to back in here. Down here in this corner. Trying to see what they at. Got a little brim or something this bit. Just missed one. Felt like it might have been worth it. Yeah, you would have filled it up out here.
I've been a lot of fish, you know. Because I'd rather have breams, pretty good sized breams, a whole bunch of them, than to have any kind of fish. I turn that fish over one side, heat that, and turn that back over.
I'm gonna get back down that backside real quick. I know there should be some on that backside over there. I just missed a good two pounder maybe. Once you find them, it's on. Yeah, it ain't even that deep right there, and they paddling up right there. Breakdance Entertainments. I got a monster on here. I got a monster on here. Breakdance Entertainments. He pulling drag. He's a monster. He's a monster. He's pulling drag, buddy. Look at him. Look at him. Breakdance Entertainment is what we do it for right here. Yes, sir. He tired too. I ain't finna try him like